Good day, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our lesson in Mathematics 3. Our topic for today is comparing numbers up to 10,000. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Debating prior knowledge. Good morning, Math Explorers. I'm so excited to see all your bright faces today. Put on your thinking caps and grab your magic pencils because today we aren't just doing math, we are becoming number detectives. For our motivation, write the correct symbol in the space provided to make the statement true. Lesson Purpose Intention. Compare numbers up to 10,000 with the same number of digits using the symbols greater than, less than, or equal. Lesson Language Practice. Greater than, the number on the left is larger than the number on the right. Less than, the number on the left is smaller than the number on the right. Equal to, both sides have the exact same value. Reading the key idea stem. Compare numbers up to 10,000 with the same number of digits using the symbol greater than, less than, or equal to. Developing understanding of the key idea stem. In our lesson yesterday, we compared numbers with different number of digits. How do we compare numbers with different number of digits? We compare the number of digits. The number with more digits is greater. In today's lesson, you will compare numbers with the same number of digits. Everybody, this is greater than. And this is the symbol for less than. And this is the symbol for equal to. Example, 87 blank 98. The expected answer is 87 is less than 98. The number 87 is less than 98 because 87 is 11 less than 98. How many digits do the two numbers have? Both numbers have 2 digits. How do we compare the two numbers since the two numbers have the same number of digits? We should compare first the tens digits or the left digits. The number with a larger tens digit is greater. The value of 9 in 98 is 90, which is larger than the value of 8 in 87, which is 80. "87 is less than 98. Read as 87 less than 98. Another pair of numbers, 415 blank 769. The expected answer is 415 is less than 769. The number 769 is more than 500, while 415 is less than 500. How many digits do the two numbers have? Both numbers have 3 digits. Do we compare the two numbers? Since the two numbers have the same number of digits, We should compare first their hundreds digits or the leftmost digits. The number with a larger hundreds digit is greater. The value of 7 in 769 is 700, which is larger than the value of 4 in 415, which is only 400. This is read as 415 is less than 769. Example 3. 9,732 blank 8,361. The expected answer is 9,732 is greater than 8,361. The number 9,732 is more than 9,000, while 8,361 is less than 9,000. How many digits do the two numbers have? Both numbers have 4 digits. How do we compare the two numbers? Since the two numbers have the same number of digits, we should compare first their thousands. The number with a larger thousands digit is greater. The value of 9 in 9,737 is 9,000, which is larger than the value of 8 in 8,361, which is 8,000. That's why 9,732 is greater than 8,361. What can you say about the numbers of digits in each pair? Each pair has the same number of digits. What do you observe about the left or leftmost digit in each pair? The digits are not the same. How do we compare numbers with the same number of digits but with different left or leftmost digits? We compare the left or leftmost digits. The number with a larger left or leftmost digit is greater. What if I have these numbers to compare? What is their relationship? The expected answer is 3,175 is equal to 3,175. The two numbers are equal to. We use the symbol equal to show that two numbers are equal. The value of the number on the left is the same as the value of the number on the right. 3,175 is read as 3,175 is equal to 3,175. Deepening understanding of the key idea stem. So far, we have been comparing two numbers with the same number of digits, but with different left or leftmost digits. But what if the left or leftmost digits are the same? How do we compare those numbers? Example, 89 and 82. What do you observe about the digits in the tens place? The digits are the same. Since the numbers have the same digit in the tens place, we have to compare the digits in the ones place. What do you observe about the digits in the ones place? Correct. They are different. Good day, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our larger 9 in 89 or 2 in 82 and why. 9 is larger than 2 because it is to the right of 2. When we arrange the numbers in order, it is also 7 more than 2. Say that in this case, 89 is greater than 82. Example 5, we have 589 blank 582. What do you observe about the digits in the hundreds place? The digits are the same. Since the numbers have the same digit in the hundreds place, we compare the digits in the tens place. What do you observe about the digits in the tens place? They are different. Which is larger, 8 in 589 or 2 in 528, and why? 8 in 589 is larger because its value is 80. The value of the digit 2 in 528 is only 20. In this case, 589 is greater than 528. (589) is greater than 528. Example 6, 4,832 blank 4,875. What do you observe about the digits in the thousands place? The digits are the same. How about the digits in the hundreds place? The digits are the same. Since the number have the same digit in the thousands place and in the hundreds place, we compare the digits in the tens place. What did you observe about the digits in the tens place? They are different. Which is larger, 3 in 4,832 or 7 in 4,875, and why? 3 is smaller because its value is 30. The value of 7 is 70. 4,832 is less than 4,875. 4,832 is less than 4,875. When comparing numbers that have the same left or leftmost digits, look at the next digit to the right. The number with the larger digit is greater. If the digits are still the same, keep moving to the next place value until the digits are different. The digit with the larger value in the place value is the greater number. Making generalization and abstraction. What numbers did we compare? We compared numbers with the same number of digits. How did we compare numbers with the same number of digits? For two-digit numbers, if the tens digits are the same, compare the ones digit. The digit with the larger value is the greater number. Example, 56 is greater than 54. For 3 or 4-digit numbers, if the leftmost digits are the same, compare the digits in the next place value. The digit with the larger value is the greater number. If the digits are still the same, keep moving to the next place value until the digits are different. The digit with the large value in that place value is the greater number. Example, 565 is greater than 549. 5,645 is greater than 5,627. What symbol did we use in comparing numbers? We used the symbols greater than, less than, or equal to. Evaluating learning. For each pair of numbers, compare the digits starting from the highest place value. Use the symbols greater than, less than, or equal to complete the statements. Here are the expected answers. Great job today, everyone. You listen well, share your thoughts, and work hard. Keep up the good work. See you next time.